Many people wonder why automotive ECUs, which are clearly installed in the engine compartment, must undergo thermal shock testing. The actual temperature difference in real-world vehicle operating conditions is far harsher than imagined. In cold winters, vehicles are parked outdoors at temperature of tens of degrees below zero, and the engine compartment heats up instantly after startup. In hot summers, after intense sun exposure, sudden downpour causes rapid cooling, subjecting automotive-grade electronic components to repeated extreme temperature changes. Long-term thermal expansion and contraction can easily create heightened hazard for driving failures. Conventional high and low temperature test chamber has a gentle temperature change rate, which cannot reproduce the extreme condition of instantaneous rapid heating and cooling, making it difficult to screen for hidden defects. Thermal shock test chambers are core equipment for automotive-grade verification, many available in two types, 2-zone and 3-zone models. The 2-zone types adopt a basket switching structure, which samples quickly shuttle between high and low temperature rooms, delivering strong impact and maximum strength amplification. It is suitable for high-intensity reliability screening of small automotive electronics and PCB boards. The 3-zone types features independent high-temperature, low-temperature, and ambient temperature rooms, with fixed samples and no vibration interference, making it more suitable for testing ECUs and precision models with wiring harness. Compliant with automotive standards including ISO 16750 and JEDEC JESD22 A106, is reliable ensure the long-term stable operation of automotive electronic controls. Looking for a customized test solution for automotive electronic components? Feel free to leave us a message for one-to-one exclusive test solution.